Welcome to Tetra Nation 2024. This project is from our Peel chapter in the Central region. Our client's disability causes her fingers to become crooked and she is unable to straighten them. Commercially available hand braces are hard for her to wear as they are bulky and cumbersome. The Tetra volunteer works at Humber College and used the equipment on campus to scan the client's hand and 3D printed several custom braces that hold the client's fingers up. If you think this project and video should win Tetra Nation 2024 for the Central region, vote now.